Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this new video, I'll be sharing several Valentine's DIYs using Dollar Tree items. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get started. So the first DIY was really quick and simple and I loved how it ended up looking. The first step, I just went ahead and removed the hearts from the love signs since I do plan on using the back of the signs and I thought I can get a good use out of the hearts for other DIYs. And the second step, I just simply went ahead and spray painted. So I ended up finding this Gorilla crafting tape at Walmart and I wanted to give it a try, so I bought it and I'll be just adding several tape to the back of the sign, and in the front I just put a little bit of E6000. To give it a little more detail, I went ahead and added some burlap before I put the hug, love, and kiss sign in the center. So for this next DIY, I just simply went ahead and spray painted the 3 jars with 3 different colors, which is a pink, a red, and a white ivory color, and I'll be letting them dry for at least 20 minutes before I jump to the next step. Once they were done drying, I just simply went ahead and added some ribbon to the center of the jars. With some hot glue, I just went ahead and added the metal heart from the first DIY to the center of the white jar. So for this last DIY, the first step, I just simply went ahead and cut up some strips from the ribbon. Next step, I just simply went ahead and removed the arrow and the tinsel from the heart shape. Once I was done with that, I just simply went ahead and added the ribbon with a single knot, and I'll be doing this until I am completely done. By the way, I ended up using 4 rows of the ribbon in total. I've seen people that also use fabric, but I didn't have any at the moment, so I just went ahead and used ribbon. Since my Dollar Tree didn't have any nice picture frames at the moment, I went ahead and got this one from Walmart, which was only $4. I'll just be removing the back and the glass so that way I can place the heart wreath on the center of the frame. Okay, so this brings us to the end of this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it and got great ideas. I also wanted to wish you all a happy New Year's, and other than that, I hope y'all have a great day and God bless.